The investment, yeah, so if you're creating your own strategy from this, you're going to need a coder. You might need a few coders, yeah, there's a cost there that can quite quickly add up, plus then maybe getting some help on testing and optimization of that strategy too. You're going to need a VPS, but a small cost really. The testing and optimization process can take quite a lot of time. You know, I know, for example, our journey with these approaches always takes longer than you think, and that can be because sometimes you might get another idea. There might be another curveball, or the data might not play out as you thought, and then it creates another idea in your mind. One example of this is our edge strategy on TradingView. We had a function for trailing stop loss on a trend strategy, and I wanted to see if that worked. Now, Mindset told me, because of all the education that's everywhere, don't let a winning trade turn to a losing trade, move your stop loss to entry when there's, you know, enough of a gap, all of that stuff. So you think, okay, well, that sort of makes sense. However, when you can then code that into your strategy, you see that not all the times that works. On a trend strategy, the way the market normally moves, it will go in your favor. You pull the stop loss to break even, then it comes and takes you out, and then it flies. So we coded that, and what that told us was that moving our stop loss to entry on that strategy had a negative effect to our net profit on pretty much every single pair for the last 3-4 years. So we removed it, and getting traders to understand that sometimes is a challenge because of how the education in this space is, but there's no one size fits all, and sometimes people revert to this outcome bias. There might be one trade where if they had have put their stop loss to entry, they wouldn't have hit their stop loss, and then they think, well, I'm going to do that every time. But one time's nothing compared to having data on 500 trades. And when you trade this way, you're dealing in fact, yeah, not what you think, not hindsight, none of this stuff, and it really, really helps, yeah.